When you search for the best compound bow under $300, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to really find the bow that fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Sanlida Archery Dragon X8. First up is the Sanlida Archery Dragon X8, priced at $219.99. What caught my eye is its extensive package. This bow comes loaded with all the gear you need to hit the ground running. If you want a solid bow that's ready to hunt, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Dragon X8 features an adjustable draw length from 18 to 31 inches and can handle draw weights from 0 to 70 pounds. That means it can grow with you or be shared among family members. The IBO speed of 310 FPS ensures you'll have plenty of power behind your shots. Plus, with over 2,800 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the setup being a bit complex for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you take your time to read the manual and maybe watch a few tutorial videos, it's really not that bad. Plus, once you've got it set up, you'll appreciate how well it performs. This is perfect for you if you're serious about archery and want a bow that can handle various skill levels. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple right out of the box. For the price, the value is impressive. Now, if the complexity of the Dragon X8 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Genesis Archery Original Bow. Next, we have the Genesis Archery Original Lightweight Compound Bow coming in at $164.99. Its adjustable design really caught my attention. If you're looking for something adaptable, this is a solid choice. Why is this important for you? The Genesis bow has an adjustable draw length of 15 to 30 inches and a draw weight of 10 to 20 pounds. No tuning issues thanks to the single cam design means minimal recoil and more accuracy, which is especially useful if you're just starting out or want to improve your skills. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear that many find it reliable and easy to use. Now, some users have mentioned that it might feel a bit underpowered for more experienced archers. But here's the thing, this bow is designed for all skill levels, making it a great option for beginners or casual shooters who don't need high-end performance. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into archery and need something that's easy to use. Skip this if you're already an advanced archer looking for high performance. For the price, it's a fantastic starter bow. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners. Product number 3, Pandress Compound Bow. Coming in at just $89.88, we have the Pandress Compound Bow. Honestly, this caught my attention because of its affordability and solid features. If you're on a budget but want a reliable bow, this is worth checking out. The Pandress bow has an adjustable draw length from 19 to 28 inches and can manage draw weights between 15 and 29 pounds. The IBO speed of 260 FPS allows for decent power, and at only 2.5 pounds, it's light enough for prolonged practices. The 1,400 reviews with a 4.3-star rating indicate that many users appreciate its balance of quality and price. Some users did mention that it might not be the most durable option for heavy use. Here's the thing, if you're just starting or using it occasionally, it should hold up just fine. It's more of an entry-level bow, so if you plan on shooting every day, you might want to invest in something more robust. This is great for youth or beginners looking for an affordable way to get into archery. Skip this if you want something built for serious daily use. The value here is hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something specifically for kids or younger shooters, the next product is tailor-made for that. Product number 4, Bear Archery Brave Set. Next up is the Bear Archery Brave Compound Youth Bow Set, priced at $59.99. What stood out to me is its focus on younger archers. If you need a bow for kids, this is worth a look. This bow is designed for youth ages 8 to 12, offering a draw weight of up to 25 pounds and a draw length of 19.5 inches. It comes ready to shoot, complete with safety glass arrows and several accessories, like the Whisker Biscuit Arrow Rest, which is known for its safety. With a 4.1-star rating from 916 reviews, it's a trusted choice for many parents. Now, some parents have noted that it might feel a bit small for older kids. Here's the thing, this bow is really meant for the younger crowd, making it a fantastic starting option. If your child is older or larger, it may not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a beginner bow for kids aged 8 to 12. Skip this if your child is already a teenager or needs a more advanced bow. For the price, it's hard to complain about the value. If you want something more versatile for adults or older teens, the last product might be what you need. Product number 5, Titkot Archery Bow Set. Finally, we have the Titkot Archery Bow Set, which is an absolute steal at $18.99. I was surprised by its low price and the included accessories. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to practice archery, this could be it. This bow is ambidextrous and comes with a draw weight of just 6 pounds, making it very accessible for beginners. It even includes 10 arrows and a target, which is great for getting started. With a rating of 3.8 stars from 94 reviews, it's clear that it has its fans, especially for casual use. However, some users have pointed out that its light draw weight means it won't challenge experienced archers. Here's the thing though, if you're a beginner trying to learn the basics, this is a great introduction without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're new to archery and want something easy and fun to start with. Skip this if you're looking for a more serious training tool. For the price, it's a no-brainer for casual practice. To wrap it up, we've checked out the Sanlida Dragon X8 for serious archers, the Genesis bow for beginners, the budget-friendly Pandress, the Bear Archery set for kids, and the ultra-cheap Titkot set for casual practice. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what you need before making a decision.